To stop the auto uploads on Google Photos, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end and not laugh. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to stop the auto uploads on Google Photos. Now if you want to stop the auto upload on Google Photos, then make sure that you have your Google Photos account with you. So simply open the app and make sure that you are already logged into your account. Now the term auto uploads means it is backing up your data and photos from gallery or from a device. Now to stop it, you just need to tap on the optional profile icon at the very top right, and here you will see the option of switch account, backing up to different account and all of it. So click on the option of photo settings at the very bottom, and here you will see the option of backup at the very top. So click on the option of backup, and it says that the photos and the video that you backup are kept safe and secure. So this is the option of auto upload. So you just need to toggle off the button which says backup, and you will be able to stop the auto upload on Google Photos. So that's it. That's how you can stop the auto upload on Google Photos. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.